Today I want to talk to you about this air duster. The company sent it to me so I could try it out and give you my honest thoughts after actually using it. And after putting it through a bunch of real-world tests, I've been pretty impressed. And here's everything that comes in the box. We have a couple of pieces of literature from the manufacturer, and everything else comes inside this super soft and protective foam packaging. And to be honest, when I'm not using this, I will put everything back inside this packaging and put it in the box because honestly, that is a super great way to keep everything protected and obviously keep everything very organized as well. So let's start out talking about how the blower works. When we take a look at it, on the back here, we have a USB-C port, and that is how we charge the battery inside the unit. And to power it on, we just push this button and hold it down for a second, and you'll see these lights come on. And this will tell you the setting you have it at in terms of how fast it blows. And so this is the three dots tell me it is on the highest setting, but if I push it one time, it goes down to the second or the medium setting, and then one more time, it goes down to the lowest setting. And we'll push it again, now I'm back up to the maximum setting. And then to actually get it to blow, we just push this button right here. And we'll do that, and you can hear it. And another thing that I think is kind of neat is look at, you can see a light. You can see a light when on my hand where I'm blowing. So that's kind of cool to be able to see that. This comes with a total of 5 nozzles that you can easily take on and off. All you need to do is turn them counterclockwise and you can take it off. And then hopefully you can see it on the video, but there are these little notches that you just need to line up. And once you get it in there, you turn it clockwise. And again, it doesn't come off. It's super easy to do. Now, this nozzle is one of the shorter and most broad nozzles. And we have some other ones here, of course. And let's take a look at those. We have this one, which is a little bit more narrow and a little bit longer. And we have this one, which is really handy if you have some inflatable pool things, little floaties or toys that have the long skinny tube that you need to push this inside of to inflate. This works really great for that. And then this one is one of my favorite ones if I need something powerful. It's more narrow than these other two, and it's long so it can get into some places where the others can't. And like I said, this is one of my favorites. The other one that I really find myself using a lot is this one. And this is flat, and you can see it has an angled tip on it. And if you don't like the way that the angled tip is oriented that way, you can also flip it around. It's as easy as that. Super easy to use. Now, I should also point out, while I'm at it, remember the lights I talked about when I was blowing it into my hand? I'll just turn it on for a second. Oops, the battery shut itself off because we weren't using it. But I will push this on for a second and you can see the lights. All right, so now one last thing it comes with is this USB to USB-C cable that we use to, again, power the battery inside of this or to charge the battery inside of this. And when you're charging it, I should also say that these lights will flash telling you just how full the battery is until it's completely charged. One of the first things I noticed is how compact and lightweight this is. It's only about half a pound, as you can see for yourself. It's super easy to hold and maneuver, even for longer cleaning sessions. I've used it for cleaning my keyboard, blowing out the cooling vents on my computer, dusting off my workbench, and even getting into the nooks and crannies in my car. It's also great for blowing out debris from under appliances, which honestly can be kind of gross, but very satisfying. Here's a clip of me using it under the refrigerator. It blew out dust, debris, and a bunch of pet hair I didn't even know was there. Oops. Like a lot of people, I wondered how strong this blower actually is. So I tried it outside on some wet, heavy March snow that had some crust on top. It still blew it right off my deck railing, which was pretty impressive, especially for something this small. And here's a quick clip of it blowing the leaves off the sidewalk leading to my front door. And as you can see, it had no problem at all. I've also been really happy with the battery life. It's held up really well through all the tests I put it through. And another thing I really appreciate is that this blower comes with a 24-month warranty. You don't usually see that with products like this, so that's a nice confidence booster. So overall, this has been a solid little tool. Lightweight, powerful, customizable, and surprisingly versatile. If you're looking for a reusable alternative to canned air that can handle everything from electronics to cars to outdoor cleanup, this one is definitely worth checking out. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.